Still saying, I work like a textbook? Let's fix that. Get fluent with these 30 everyday phrases.
How often do you go to the gym?
I work out every morning before work. I work out every morning before work. Do you like your job?
Yeah, I work with really great people.
Yeah, I work with really great people. Hey, what do you do for work?
I work at a coffee shop downtown.
I work at a coffee shop downtown. How do you know so much about computers?
I work in IT. You pick things up fast. I work in IT. You pick things up fast.
Are you tired? You look exhausted.
I work late most nights. It's a lot. I work late most nights. It's a lot.
You seem really into this.
I do. I work on things I actually care about. I do. I work on things I actually care about.
Are you coming to the party tonight?
I can't. I work the night shift tonight. I can't. I work the night shift tonight.
How do you and Jake know each other?
We go way back. I work with him at the hospital. We go way back. I work with him at the hospital.
Negative sentences.
Can you come in on Saturday?
Sorry, I don't work weekends. Sorry, I don't work weekends.
So you're on the morning shift?
No, I don't work mornings. I work afternoons. No, I don't work mornings. I work afternoons. Have you tried talking to your boss about it? I don't work well under pressure, so I try to avoid it. I don't work well under pressure, so I try to avoid it. Do you still work at that startup?
No, I don't work there anymore. I moved on. No, I don't work there anymore. I moved on. Are you picking up extra shifts this month? Nah, I don't work overtime anymore. Not worth it. Nah, I don't work overtime anymore. Not worth it.
Is your office near the subway?
I don't work in an office. I'm fully remote. I don't work in an office. I'm fully remote.
Why do you look so relaxed today? I don't work on Mondays. It's my day off. I don't work on Mondays. It's my day off.
Do you and your sister work together?
We used to, but I don't work with her anymore. We used to, but I don't work with her anymore.
Are you freelancing again? No, I don't work freelance. I need stability. No, I don't work freelance. I need stability. You seem bored. What's going on?
I don't work well when there's nothing to do. I don't work well when there's nothing to do.
Question sentences.
Where do you work, if you don't mind me asking? Where do you work, if you don't mind me asking? Not at all. I work at a law firm downtown.
Do you work near here? Do you work near here?
Yeah, just 2 blocks down. Do you work? Do you work full-time or part-time? Do you work? Do you work full-time or part-time?
Full-time. Why?
Do you work on weekends usually? Do you work on weekends usually?
Sometimes. Depends on the deadline.
Do you work out before work or after work? Do you work out before work or after work? Before. I can't focus on anything after work. Do you work with Mark on that project? Do you work with Mark on that project?
Yep, every day. It's a lot of fun, actually.
Do you work late a lot? Do you work late a lot?
More than I'd like, yeah.
Do you work better alone or with a team? Do you work better alone or with a team?
Honestly, alone. I get more done.
Do you work in the same building as Amy? Do you work in the same building as Amy? We do. Same floor, actually. Do you work under a lot of pressure? Do you work under a lot of pressure? All the time. You kind of get used to it.